Day 1 of learning the handstand with you. To learn the handstand, we need strength, control, and the ability to stack our body weight. These are the drills I'm using right now, based on principles from yoga and physiotherapy. Progress isn't linear, but showing up is non-negotiable.